Hello, in this lesson we will talk about propositional equivalences. Before see some equivalences, I want to say why we learn propositional equivalences in discrete mathematics. One reason, suppose you have a complex statement and you have to find out its root values. It will be more time consuming. Rather, you have the option to simplify the complex propositional statement into more simplified propositional statement, and your task will be more easier. This is one use case why we learn propositional equivalences. Let's see some equivalences. I'm not discussing about them. Our video will be more lengthier. Those are already proved equivalences. So if you want to do some work, you can set left side and right side root values and find out they are logically equivalent or not. Otherwise, try to memorize them. Pause the video and memorize them. Alright. There are some more equivalences. Pause the video and try to memorize them. Alright. Now we will do an example. Show that not P or not P and Q and not P and not Q are logically equivalent. This is the statement and we will derive this into this. At first, we will work with the whole statement. By using De Morgan's law, which says not P or Q is equivalent to not P and not Q. And we find next line. Alright. Now we will work with this marked portion. Let's see what happened. This marked portion becomes this portion. And it is also derived from Morgan's law, which says not P and not Q is equivalent to not P or not Q. Now we will work with this marked portion. And this becomes, this not has been vanished. Why? Double negation law says not P is equivalent to P. Now we will work the whole statement. The whole statement becomes like this, which is derived from distributive law. P and Q or R is equivalent to P and Q or P and R, which is not P and P or not P and not Q. Alright. Now we'll work this marked portion. Let's see. This is false. Negation law says P and not P is equivalent to false. And now we will work with this whole portion, which says identity law, P or false is equivalent to P, which is this whole portion is P or false, which is equivalent to this portion. That means this portion. Alright. Hope you understand. Till then, stay well and we'll meet in our next lesson. Goodbye.